The scanner comes with consumables that wear and tear from prolonged scanning of documents. Using the scanner with the consumables in a worn-out or used-up state may result in paper feed errors, compromised scan quality, or faded and blurred printings. To use the scanner in a comfortable manner, the consumables need to be replaced regularly. Prepare consumables in advance for replacement. This video explains how to replace the consumables using the fi-7600 with an imprinter installed and fi-7700 as examples. Let's begin with the replacement of consumables for the scanner. Turn off the scanner and unplug the power cable. Allow at least 15 minutes for the interior of the scanner to cool down. Open the ADF. For the fi-7600 with an imprinter installed, open the print section, followed by the ADF. Replace the brake roller. Open the brake roller cover. Remove the brake roller. Remove the brake roller from its shaft. Attach a new brake roller on the shaft. Install the brake roller. Close the brake roller cover. This completes the procedure for replacing the brake roller. Next, replace the pick rollers. Hold down the side guide buttons and slide the side guides all the way to both sides. Open the sheet guide. There are two types of pick rollers, A and B as shown. First, remove the Type A pick roller found on the side close to you. Next, remove the Type B pick rollers found on the far side from you. Hold the bushing on the pick roller shaft and pull out the pick rollers. Remove the pick rollers from the shaft one by one. Attach new rollers on the shaft one by one. Hold the bushing on the shaft and install the pick rollers on the far side from you. Install the new Type A pick roller on the side close to you. Install the pick roller by aligning the protruding portion on the right shaft with the notch on the right of the pick roller. Close the sheet guide. This completes the procedure for replacing the pick rollers. Close the ADF. For the fi-7600 with an imprinter installed, close the print section as well. Plug in the power cable and turn on the scanner. Reset the brake roller counter and the pick roller counter on the operator panel. This completes the procedures for replacing the consumables of the scanner. If the scanner is equipped with an imprinter, the print cartridge is also a consumable and needs to be replaced. Turn off the scanner. Open the print cartridge cover. Remove the print cartridge. Install a new print cartridge. Bring down the arms of the print cartridge holder until it locks in place. Align the print position pointer with the print position mark where printing should be performed on the document. Close the print cartridge cover. Turn on the scanner. Reset the ink level counter on the operator panel. This completes the procedure for replacing the print cartridge. After replacing the consumables, confirm that documents can be scanned smoothly without any problems. To ensure safety and long-term usage of our products, we recommend to replace with approved consumables.